Ready to turn your Mercari sales into spendable PayPal cash? First, open the Mercari app and navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Next, find your balance. This is where your available funds are displayed. Give it a tap. Now, you should see a transfer button. Go ahead and select that button to initiate the withdrawal process. You'll be presented with withdrawal options. Choose PayPal as your preferred transfer method, of course. Enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Double-check to ensure you've entered it correctly. Typos can cause delays. Then confirm the email address. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your PayPal account. Remember to factor in any potential transfer fees Mercari may charge. Review all the details carefully, the amount, the PayPal email address, and any fees. If everything looks good, hit the transfer button to finalize your transaction. Mercari will then process your request, which usually takes 1 to 2 business days. You'll receive a confirmation message once the funds have been successfully transferred to your PayPal account. And that's it. Your funds are now in your PayPal account, ready to be used however you like. Having trouble? Common issues include incorrect PayPal email addresses or insufficient funds. Always double-check these details before initiating the transfer. If problems persist, contact Mercari's customer support for assistance.